Welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. Don't know what to do with your leftover sourdough? Well, there you go. Well, I'm going to show you in one little tip how to create croutons, the best way to use your leftover bread or sourdough. Croutons are fantastic for salad or for your soup, so whether you're winter or summer, you can have it all year round. Just a little bit of olive oil, quite a bit actually, and we put the cut pieces of bread. Here I'm using my old sourdough into it. When they get to a nice crispy color, a beautiful golden brown color, I like to add a little bit of flavor through it. So generally I'm adding a little bit of garlic and a little bit of thyme, and that's it. That's all we do. Once they're done, you just need to strain them. That's easy as that. You want to remove the excess of fat, and you can let it sit like this for a good 5 to 10 minutes for them to really drain. So after this, you can just put them in a nice container or taste them like I do now. They're quite hot. You put in a airtight container and you can keep it for weeks. As I said, salad or soup, enjoy.